Okay, we're downstairs. That's your backyard. We're at a townhouse in Indian Harbor Beach. I have a customer that's interested in this house, and she can't leave right away. So she asked me, here we are in the master. This house is really done very nicely. It's actually a townhouse. My folks live in North Carolina. So you've got the master down. This is right off of Ogali in Indian Harbor Beach. Plantation shutters. And let's go upstairs. So our market slowed a little bit. You can get a couple of things done now. You don't have to be in such a rush, except for when something's done like this thing has crown molding. No stone unturned. It's your guest bath. So now let me go talk to the agent. I'll let you know.
Before you go, I'll set y'all up, you know. She's got it all down.
Okay.